In this video we will show you all iPortalDoc's basic functionalities. Here is where the journey begins. You can log in with your IP brick credentials. As you can see, when we log in, a window pops up immediately showing our pending actions. All of these documents are running their workflow and, at this moment, the pending actions are assigned to me. On the left side, we can find the document hierarchy. The document hierarchy is a slide panel. Above we see the available menus, and on the top right several shortcuts that allow you to access, for example, My Actions, Tag Documents, Unanswered Emails. But you can also add another shortcut. For an example, you can add a shortcut for Holidays workflow, or even a shortcut to insert documents into a specific folder, without having to search for the folder on the document hierarchy. Under the shortcuts you will find the search box. This search option allows you to perform any search inside the document manager. But if we wanted to, we could do a more detailed search using additional search criteria. Here is the invitation we are searching for. If we wish, we can open it. Now, let's take a look at the commercial processes by clicking on the commercial folder. Under this folder we find several subfolders, each one containing specific documents, like budgets, price lists, proposals, and so on. By clicking on the proposals subfolder, we will access all proposals inserted during that year. Some still an ongoing process, and some already on their final stage. That means that the document's workflow reached its end. But let's take an inside look at one of these documents. If we just place the mouse above the info icon, we can already visualize a summarized information about the document. But if we click on that icon, a new window pops up, presenting more detailed information. Here we can view the document's metadata, like document type, workflow, entity, code, author, and others. Above we can access several tabs, each one with different and relevant information about the document and/or process. By clicking the File tab, we can access the document. Here we find all the documents related to our process, like budgets, invoices, among other documents that are relevant to the process. Let's take a look inside to the Associated Emails tab. If we use the tag ref proposal code in the subject or body of any email, it will be captured by iPortalDoc and attached here. You can also look up the Revisions History tab to view the earlier versions of a document. The application manages document revisions and assures that the version we access first, the one that prompts when clicking the File tab, is the most up-to-date. On this tab we can view the workflow in its graphic format, allowing us to easily understand in which stage the document is and through which stages the document has already passed. By accessing the Chronological Scheme tab, we can view even more detailed information like comments, stakeholders, dates, who has executed a specific action or who has a pending action. On this last tab we can easily access the pending actions and view to whom they are assigned to. Now let us take a look at another workflow, the Received Letters workflow. This folder is organised by year, month, day. We will take a look at a document that has entered automatically into the workflow, notifying the user responsible to execute a specific action. The user receives an email in his inbox requesting to execute an action regarding the new document. So the first action will be to classify the document by giving it a title and attributing the entity. Click Change and we will be automatically directed to the next step. The next step is to forward the letter to the addressee. Write any relevant comment if it is necessary. Select the user or users you want to forward the letter to and click forward. Once I have forwarded it to myself, the window Red Letter shows up. On my right navigation pane, we can view the scanned letter. We can access the chronological scheme to view the relevant comments inserted previously. On the left pane, I can decide whether to archive. By performing the action Read, I have archived and the workflow reaches its final stage. Or choose the option Incorrect Destination to forward the letter to other users. In this case, I am going to archive by choosing the option Read. Another feature that I want to share with you is mail archiving integrated with iPortalDoc. With iPortalDoc, you can access the register of all of your received and sent emails. To find your emails, you can perform a search by subject, from a person to another, by date, or body of the email. You can also access your emails to reply. This feature allows you to easily understand which emails you have not answered yet, as well as the emails that you were not answered yet when there is more than one person involved. With mail archiving, you can always access your deleted emails. You can easily find an email even if you don't remember where you archived it. And you can also access emails from an ex-employee. Go to www.ipbrick.com/iPortalDoc. Ask for your iPortalDoc test account.